Hello guys, welcome to another video. The last time the code or the project I gave you, obviously I couldn't make the final project of it. So I have to make the prototypes abstract, which is a summary of it, that how what it is, how it works, and all that. So it's a summary. So I would like to show you that. So this project's name is, as you can see, it is Biocode. Okay, it is Biocode. It's an attempt of what every other engineer wants to achieve, which is making life of people easier and automate things so that they can achieve greater goals. They can work for greater things. So this is an patent maker website. So that our bright minds don't waste the time on paperwork which is not that productive, and just do the invention and the creative stuff, and focus on the innovation. And because I feel the pain of bioinformaticians, so I would like to solve the bioinformatics with bioinformatics and give back to the community. In here, I the patent quantity is higher, but patent quality is a little what you can say. The patent quality is a little simpler than a, a little compromised than other uh, areas. So, but the patent quantity is great because obviously we are taught to do hard work, uh, and that is very much important, obviously, because execution is very important, as well as the innovation, as well as the creativity. Execution and hard work is equally important, or you can only dream of it, but it would be hard to build it. Execution builds your dream, and a dream, which is innovation, makes the pathway, that imagination makes a pathway for the hard work to go on. But the hard work is also important, that walks on that path and creates the empire, right? So execution is important, but still, let's focus on the innovation, right? Because we have to be better in all, right? Innovation and the quality, patent. So let's introduce you to patent. What is patent? Patenting lets you own your creation so that others can't claim on it that they have made it. It gets sort of like registered in your name, that you, only you, have made that project. Okay, made that stuff. So and I want to by this project we want to democratize this patenting right to everyone from all ages. This right to own your own creation to all ages, and to um, to let uh, nurturing minds, also imaginative minds, also to participate in this phenomena, in this uh, in this creation innovation race event, so that we get an early start, so that we can increase our patent quality later on, keep improving, keep working on it, if we get an early start from it. So kids or small people, I mean small kids or children, if start from early age to create innovation, they can improve it till they get older and experienced, so they can make greater quality patents at the you know at more mature ages. So biocode at a glance, which means I want to introduce or show its purpose of the project. So I wanted to make an online platform for patenting so that all get the rightful credits for their work, for their hard work and research they put in, and also their ideas don't go in vain, don't go waste, don't go in the just written on the paper and threw it in the bin. That shouldn't happen. That innovation should reach to everyone. The everyone should be able to share the knowledge and get their rights to get a name in their creation, get to own their creation, right? By making patenting accessible, like e-commerce, like any website that you just buy anything from e-commerce website nowadays. Everything is accessible in our handset, in our phones. Like e-commerce has made shopping available on our phone handset. So this also the patenting right also should be like easy and accessible to just in our phones, that we can just uh, it should be that easy, like buying something from an online website, right? I want to make it easy. So what barcodes want to achieve? So as per my principle, I feel that good things should be rewarded and made accessible and promoted, so that good things are done more, good things are repeated, so that things get better. And exchange of ideas should have barriers reduced, so that ideas information sharing should be more easier. Okay, and all can participate, so we can get many minds, many perspectives, right? And all can get their voice, all can express, and also get their rights to own their ideas. And patenting can be organized too, so we can know the data, who has patented, who has not. It can be recognized, organized, and managed by us, and you forget the stress of it. We manage it for you, and we can just make our country ahead in the proud and ahead in the patent race with quality patents. That's important, as patenting process can be tiresome and draining. So we want to make it simpler and efficient. So what's my take, or what's my conclusion on barcode? It can be further connected to larger databases of inventions like NCBI, National Center for Biotechnological Innovations, or something. I don't remember. Sorry. And EBI, like European Biological Institute or something. Sorry, I am not exactly remembering the. I am not able to recall the full form of the acronyms. So this can be as easy as, and the patenting can be as easy as social media. Like we upload stuff, we watch stuff, we just share ideas, but still our names are attached to our creation. Our names are still attached to the content we make, right? So it can be the social media of bioinformatics. But later on, obviously, we can, if we get the right technology, right funds, then we can expand into other domains of science, because obviously it would need other files to this can now only accept Python file, but later on we may need, if we want to expand, then we would have to accept other programming languages files too. So yeah, we would expand into we can expand into other domains of science. We can take other types of files. We can make a dashboard to check all their patents and their status, so that it's more easy, organized, and collected at single place, and easy to look through all your status, what is the status of the patents. And with the dashboard, and all can check how much work you have done, if they want to connect with you or do any business with you, but still keeping you anonymous to others from the platform. so that you get your privacy and not disturbed at all times. We and later on it can be partnered with government and businesses to make their platforms and experiences smoother, efficient, and all that. And we can also, as this is a website, we can show the authentic numbers to viewers, how many are interacting or using our website, and to our investors. And also, mm, mm, we can just reduce the backdoor business because this is a website, obviously, so you don't have to uh, no one is getting priority. It is totally unbiased, as websites are unbiased, I guess. You don't need to pay or do some extra favors for getting extra favors. No cheating is going on. Obviously a website is a machine. It will be unbiased and do and prioritize everyone equally. So yeah, it would be, I guess it should be fair on a website, maybe by a machine. So yeah, uh, reduce backdoor businesses, I mean reduce cheating businesses. Okay, so you can later consult expert lawyers, hire expert lawyers to ask all important patent questions at once on the login page only, or if you choose the option there only. I will explain the mechanism later on, so that you don't have to be disturbed again and again and contacted again and again. And once you have filled the form, you can just easily chill and your patent will be done, still keeping it simple and interactive. Or we can later keeping the form simple and interactive, our app, our experience, uh, interactive and simple. Or we can later on add AI features that sees your project and makes your paperwork automatically and accordingly. And it makes all your paperwork according to your project, doing less asking to you, and it will fill automatically correctly and do your paperwork and the patent. And updates will be accessible for free on later on. So let's not lose another basmati rice due to less accessible patenting. Yeah, because I guess we later on won the patent of basmati rice, but I guess basmati rice was in our culture, but the patent was not with us. Maybe, I guess. I have heard that story somewhere. Yeah. So, what is the mechanism and machinery of the project? HTML is used as front end, which interacts with the clients or the customers or you guys, and makes patenting simpler, gives interactive interface to the software, and makes patenting less scary to you. And Java is used as backends that performs operations, gives commands to SQL from HTML that took information from you and performs all operations that is there. Finally, MySQL used as database stores your data, from which we can search some data, selective data, or compare datas. It will arrange the datas and retrieve data when needed to proceed with your patent filing. It will retrieve data to the company, right? Login page has gets information. Login page will get in your information, your contact information, and information or the project file of your project, Python file. It will gather. Then in the app we will have 5 options for you to select from. First is selling. We can mediate between you and businesses so that the contact goes on smoother, and to sell your invention at a better price, and also for businesses at a better price, and smoother buying for the businesses and easy buying for the businesses, and at the right time they can buy. We can make the time easier of buying, and authentic buying can be done by the uh, businesses. And also, but we can also arrange uh, we can arrange options. If you don't want to say sell your project at a stage later on, you have full rights to step back anytime, right? And it would be free for you, but we will take some amount, a small free fee from the businesses, because now with that patent they can earn something. And obviously, as we are managing this software, they can provide us a little amount of money for that, because we have provided them an experience of easy buying. So yeah, store store option is there for storing your inventions in our database, so that no one copies your project on a later stage, but rights are still not fully yours, because you have not bought any patent, or uh, you have not applied for certification. So it is on our database, but you can later on decide what to do with it. Checking uniqueness, our database search our database is searched from within for now because of technological limitations. It will be checked for uniqueness only in our database. It will compare your project in our database, search within itself. If your projects match in our database, then it will say it is not unique. It has some elements not exactly copied, but similar to the project submitted earlier, so it is not eligible for patenting. So you need to maybe work more, or if it doesn't match, we can say it is eligible for patenting because it is new, kind of original idea. But for now we can't search larger databases like NCBI and EBI for due to technological limitations. So yeah, we can do it in the future if we get the funding. And the technology, basically the technology, obviously certify and patenting. If we get the right skills, I guess, then we can increase the database. Certify and patenting option. In that option, we would love to assist you with your patenting journey, being your pain bearers, smoothing your process, making it easy for you, making the platform interactive for you with a minimal fee, so that we will do the paperwork as per your directions, contacting you and using your given details. The details you gave in the login form, we will use that. If there is any doubt or anything, if you want to give us extra information, you can call us, we can contact you if there is any doubt, and we will do the paperwork and all the stuff, contacting and stuff, the minimal fee. So, and deliver the patent certificate at your home later on. And Inspire is also a option in this. We would find related topics or unfinished projects from our database, which are not gonna get, which are just starting and not means which are discarded topics, which are not gonna be used for patenting, or the creators are just thrown it away the project, they have discarded the topic. So those topic will be shown for you to get a topic or idea or inspire from it, to give you a head start for your work. Thank you for your time to check this out. And obviously, disclaimer, this is a imaginary pitch, this is a fictional pitch, this is a fictional abstract, this is not a real business. This is a imaginary fictional stuff. Okay, this is an imaginary pitch. And yeah, you can check out the painful process of patenting, how patenting is done, how complex it is, how painful it is. You can watch it here. Okay, so if you have watched till here, and you can pause to read this, and if you watched till here, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.